All right, today we're going to work on definitions. If your page does not look like this, then you can refer to the other video. So, we have 4 words we're going over this week. The words from your vocabulary sheet at the top of your packet. The words are protect, earth, climate change, and important. We are going to write out the definitions. You can copy the definitions from your vocabulary sheet, or you can just follow along the video. If I am going too fast, definitely pause the video so you guys can follow along. So let's look at the first word. It says protect. And if we look at our definitions page, protect means to keep safe from harm. So I'm going to write to keep safe from harm. So protect means we want to keep people from getting hurt or something that is not good for them. So protect means we want to keep them safe, like we don't want anything to hurt someone. We want to make sure everyone's happy, not, feeling well, healthy. We want to protect people from getting hurt. We don't want bad things to happen to someone. We want to protect. Our next word is earth. Earth is where we live. It is the third planet from the sun. So we live on Earth. It is also the world that we live in. World was a vocabulary word from earlier in our lessons, I think a week or a couple weeks ago. We live on Earth. We live on the third planet from the sun. The next word is climate change. Climate change. And so we see here pictures of the world and like the weather. So we have sunny weather, rainy weather, snowy weather. And this symbol we learned earlier in our last few articles as well was change. Change. To be different from the others. So climate change means the change in usual weather over a long period of time. So for example, if we live in an area that has been sunny for a long time or that has a lot of rain and then suddenly there's no rain, and that's not necessarily a good thing because we need weather to be a certain way in order for things on that land to survive and to keep on living. So if we suddenly stop having rain in San Francisco or in California, it can affect a lot of things. Suddenly our plants aren't really living very well, or we have less water to drink. So it's important for us to keep weather and the climate the same. The last word we have is important. And important means, let me pull up the page for your definition. It means necessary or of great value. Necessary or of great value. So, important means it is something that you need, maybe something that means a lot to you. So you can say like my family is important to me. Food is important in my life. Maybe a medicine I take is very important. I need it. Or you can even say like my glasses are important to me because without them I can't see. Different things are important to different people. So let's go over our words one more time. Protect, to keep safe from harm. Earth, the third planet from the sun. Climate change, the change in usual weather over a long period of time. Important, necessary, or of great value.